Good morning to all. I'm Manjula Srinivas, Vice President of Happy Old Age Home Organization, Trimalgiri. As you all know that the whole world is fighting with COVID-19, where it is spreading rapidly to everyone and everywhere. In this situation, especially to make our old age home corona-free, we undertook precautionary steps as per the guidelines of ICMR. So, I request you all to share this video to follow this type of protocol in each and every government as well as private institutions to make corona free. Coming to the measures which we are following in our old age home, wearing a mask is must. Do not remove mask while interacting with anyone, because by maintaining mask, 50% of infection rate can be reduced. As you all know that corona spreads through mouth droplets. Leave footwear outside. Then step on the disinfectant mat in the entrance. Stay for 20 seconds as this kills the bacteria or virus which is present on one's foot. Simultaneously, body sanitizer will be automatically switched on to disinfect whole body. After that, step into the old age home for hand sanitizing, which will be automatically switched on if you put hands under the nozzle. Do sanitize 2 hands and dry your hands with the help of automatic hand dryer. Next, thermal screening will be done by one of our staff. If temperature is normal, one can be allowed further. While screening, photo pic will be taken. Give your personal information in the mic arranged, which will be stored in digital platform and sent to the president of old age home or manager and some staff immediately. The information can also be used for tracing easily if necessary. If the attenders have any belongings for the inmates, all those will be sanitized in the UV chamber. That is, most oftenly, attenders give their mobiles to the inmates to have conversation with their relatives. In such case, mobiles are also disinfected in UV chamber. All other entrances are closed except lift. One can enter in the old age home through lift where automatic sanitization has been arranged. The attenders can use lift during emergency only, otherwise they have to wait in reception only to meet the inmates. After completion of all these measures, one can interact with their ward by maintaining social distance. Kindly cooperate with us for yours as well as everyone's safety and healthy survival. Thank you all.